Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, and today we're going to be looking at the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra in Lavender. Let's see. And as you can see, we've got two pull tabs, so we're going to start with this side. Okay, that's one side, and now let's do the other side. And we're going to flip this over. And now time for the big reveal. Okay, this is a different... Oh, that feels like paper. No more plastic. Using this tab up, we can lift the entire thing out of the box. Like so. Pop that there. And as we can see, nothing else in this side of the box. Does that mean we don't even get a charging cable anymore? Come on, Samsung, what are you doing? Well, I think it's all in this side, but yeah. Now we're going to get to the phone itself, so we're just going to take this piece of cardboard off. And straight away, we can see the lavender colour. I'll just bring this closer so you all can see. This comes in a matte finish on the back, and on the sides we've got aluminium, or aluminum as some people say, in a glossy finish. And yeah, I really like it. And now we're going to reveal this part. And currently on Samsung's website there is a deal going on for the pre-order period. You can actually get 512 gigabytes for the same price as 256 gigabytes. But also if you go for that model, you'll get 12 gigabytes of RAM as well. And just like the S22 of last year, I'll flip this around. For those that use it, we have an S Pen. Okay. Now we're going to turn this on and see what we get. Okay, as you can see, we have the usual Samsung branding on the front, powered by Android, and this should take us through the setup process. And it's currently going through different languages, and weirdly it didn't start with English. I find that really strange. And just to let you know, the screen size of this, I think it's the same as last year, 6.8 inches on the diagonal. Yes, I know it needs a SIM card in. I'll do that later. Okay, now we're just going to set the language, English UK. Accepting some terms and conditions. We're going to agree to all of them. Because why not? Now on this screen it's asking whether do I want to set it up as new, or do I want to set it up from a previous phone. Now you can set this up from a previous Android device, or iPhone or iPad. Is that new? Not sure. Didn't have the S23 from last year. In this case, we're going to go Galaxy or Android device. That's interesting. Scanner. App to do that. And for this, we'll be transferring from the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 3, which coincidentally I'm actually going to be trading in. And immediately on here it's asking, do I want to set up the new device? So set up. It's now connecting. What have we got? Scan the QR code, okay. Now what's to verify it's me? Fingerprint. It says connecting to Wi-Fi, getting your device ready. Oh, that's interesting. Like I said, I don't know if this is a new feature or if it was present on last year's phone, but the moment I scanned that, it transferred even my Wi-Fi settings across as well, so I didn't even have to type in a passcode. I'll just spin it around so you can see it. It just says getting your device ready. What else is new that I'm aware of on this? Service provider, your phone needs to send it, blah, blah, blah. Yep, sure, restart. Yeah, so with this new model, instead of the 108 megapixel camera main shooter from last year, it's now been bumped to 200 megapixels. So now, as well as taking 12 megapixel photos, it can take the full resolution of 200 megapixels as well as 50. And for video, for those that care, it actually can shoot up to 8K 30 frames a second or 24. I personally don't know anybody who uses that, but it's there if you need it. But yeah, which do you think though? S23 Ultra or stick with a foldable? For me, it's a tough choice, but if you care about camera, I would always go with a traditional non-folding phone. Now on the next screen it asks if you want to copy apps and data. We'll just hit next. Do I want to use Smart Switch? Okay, it's found the devices. Allow connection. Yes. Okay, what do we want to transfer? We're going to say everything because that'll only take 2 minutes and I'll be right back. Okay guys, we're now back and it's asking how do we want to set the phone. We can use face scanning, we've got our fingerprints, bio pin, passcode or patterns. So we are going to be doing a fingerprint. Continue. Yep. And it wants a PIN code or a passcode for extra layer of security. And now we're on the screen where we can register our fingerprints. So we're going to hit register. And it says press your finger inside the circle, lift it when, okay, sure. Okay, now we've added a fingerprint. You get the option to add another one if you want, or you can do it or you can do it later in the settings. Let's hit next. Let's see. And do we want to use Hey Google? Yep, why not? I agree. Okay, what have we got? Samsung Boost. What on earth is that? Next. Samsung Wallet, absolutely. And it says we're all set up. Hit finish and it says done on the other phone as well. Hit done. And currently we've got apps installing. Right, I guess we no longer need this. Goodbye. And yeah, that's the initial unboxing and setup of the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. It's got some good weight to it. I like it. And in terms of the colour, I probably wouldn't have chosen any other one. But the other colours that you can choose I think we've still got Phantom Black, unless they've decided to change the naming on that. We have this one, which is Lavender. I believe we have a cream. Do we have a green? I can't remember. I didn't really look. But I know on the exclusive to the Samsung website, we have a sky blue and a red. But now let's just check if the fingerprint scanner works. First time. And also, you've probably seen this before, but we're going to test on-screen memo. So when your screen is off, you just pull out the S Pen. That immediately goes into notes, and then you can just start writing. And when you've finished writing your note, you can pin it to the screen or you can save it. So in this case, we're going to pin it. And to get back into it, you just double tap it and then it comes back on the screen. And there we go. There's an example of a on-screen memo note that you can do. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'm going to see you hopefully in the next one. Thanks for watching.